You can consume much less food and still be energetic and maintain your weight levels. Your sugar values will not go up suddenly, you will not feel hungry for long periods of time. It gives you iron and it gives you a lot of fiber. Millets have the highest level of protein content among all cereals, and the calcium content, iron content and many micronutrients which you will not find in regular commercial wheat and rice. In those terms, the millets have a certain power to support human body in many different ways. Millets have the highest level of protein content among all cereals, and the calcium content, iron content and many micronutrients which you will not find in regular commercial wheat and rice that largely populations are consuming today. So particularly in Karnataka, just about 40 years ago, every home had ragi diets. Ragi mudde is very popular and ragi can be made into so many things. Ragi ambali was a constant thing for children growing up, and ragi dosa, ragi roti, all these are very popular things. Just about anything that you can do with rice, you can also do with ragi. Shifting at least 50% to millet diet, even if you cannot go 100% because of travel and other things, even shifting 50%, you will see three things. One thing is your general health and level of energy will be way higher than what you're experiencing right now. Next thing is, you can consume much less food and still be energetic and maintain your weight levels. In terms of millets, one important thing is they are slow release, your sugar values will not go up suddenly, it's a slow release process, and with less food, you will not feel hungry for long periods of time, which is a very good thing to do. This is very easy. Those of you who tend to fast and try to balance your diet by doing fastings and intermittent fastings and things like that.
All grains play a vital role in maintaining health and well-being. It's important to understand the types of grains naturally suited to a particular region and environment, as these are often the most health-promoting. However, modern agricultures and the growing global population have made all types of grains available across countries and regions. This widespread availability has led to some grains, especially rice and wheat, becoming less healthy due to change in farming practices. In India, rice, wheat and ragi are the main staple foods consumed by 95% of the population across the 7 major zones, while grains like bajra, jowar and maize are consumed by a much smaller portion of the population. A study led by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research (ICAR) has found that efforts to develop high-yielding varieties have altered the nutrient profiles of rice and wheat, reducing their dietary and nutrition value. This depletion of essential nutrients in stable grains could lead to an increased risk of disease affecting the neurological, reproductive and musculoskeletal systems. Additionally, the study revealed that arsenic level in rice have surged by 1493%, posing further health risks.
You will see millet is most supportive for that kind of lifestyle, and above all, millet is closely connected to the land in which you live. It is a natural aspect of the land, and that is the best thing to consume, because the land, the soil and your body are not three different things, they are one and the same. Will we get this now, or will we get this only when we are buried? This is the only question. So millets should be brought into our lives. Every responsible citizen should do this for the well-being of their own health and well-being, and for the well-being of the country and the world and the ecological diversity of the planet, and especially if you have growing children. Millet is a must in your life.
Millets are a group of small seeded grains from various species of cereal grasses valued for their high nutritional content, particularly their high fiber and low calorie profile, and their versatility in cooking. Nutritional profile: Number 1. Vitamins and minerals. Millets are rich in B vitamins, iron, magnesium and phosphorus, all of which are vital for essential bodily functions. Number 2. High in fiber. They promote digestive health and assist in maintaining a healthy weight. Number 3. Rich in minerals. Millets provide important nutrients like magnesium, phosphorus and iron. Number 4. Protein. Millets contain more protein than many other grains, supporting muscle repair and overall health. Number 5. Antioxidants. These grains help combat oxidative stress and may reduce reduce the risk of chronic disease. Switching to millets offer a healthier and safe choice of grain. Pranam.
To get free tips on food, health, Ayurveda, lifestyle, and yoga by Sadhguru, please join our WhatsApp and Telegram link below.